welcome to Matt's Cooking. Today I'll be teaching you how to cook American fried chicken. The ingredients you'll be needing are milk, an egg, salt and pepper, plain flour, corn flour, dried oregano, dried thyme, garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika, baking powder, and most importantly, chicken wings.
Here you can see me adding all the ingredients that I just listed. In a separate bowl, you can see me adding the egg and milk and then whisking it. It is important when you're coating your chicken to first coat the chicken in the flour, then dip it in the egg, and then recoat it in the flour. Here you can see me adding the oil to my pan to get ready to fry. You can cook the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. This should be the final product. Thank you for watching.